Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the Silverware Basket on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new Silverware Basket for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher silverware basket holds, separates, and organizes the silverware for proper cleaning. If the silverware basket fails or becomes damaged, it may not properly hold the silverware in place and can cause poor cleaning performance. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Then, pull the bottom dish rack forward. The silverware basket is located here on the bottom dish rack. Next, lift the silverware basket up to remove. If you need to purchase a new silverware basket, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. Set the silverware basket into the right side of the lower dish rack. Then, push the lower dish rack back into the dishwasher and close the door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.